also know that it's a technology not for just today, it's a technology for the future. I think the control is in their hands. They look at it, they do a virtual walkthrough, they create their own setting. Hi, I'm Meena Bhatia. I'm the General Manager and Vice President of Le Méridien, New Delhi.
What motivated you to explore technological solutions for your hotel?
So, embracing technology today is not an option. I think it is a necessity, and moreover, it's not only about embracing technology, it's embracing and innovating and adapting new. The evolution of technology in our workspace, it's, I think, an essential thing these days.
How do you see tech adoption impacting your hotel guests' experience?
Their expectations are totally different. Guests today no more want to come and ask for things. They do not want long interactions with team. They want everything in the perhaps in their palm top. So everything, they need to be empowered. And I think technology and embracing these new programs, I think it is so essential because we need to empower our guests. We need to enrich their journey. We need to give them an experience that enables them to feel in control of themselves, as well as they need to feel more comfortable in the environment of the hotel.
So what role do you see Spalba's virtual showcasing in your hotel's tech advancements? And what is one feature that your team has been most excited about?
Not for just today, it's a technology for the future. So I think a game changer as far as we are concerned, because it has always taken us years. It takes us long conversations, exchange of emails, reaching out to guests in different parts of the world with time difference to show them how we can create a meeting room setting or a wedding setting. Today, we don't have to do that because I think the control is in their hands. They look at it, they do a virtual walkthrough, they create their own setting. And, it also minimizes totally any level of not meeting the guest expectations, because they know exactly what they are getting and we know exactly what the guest wants.
How do you think it's become important to empower sales people with the new age technology?
Equally, because sales team actually also was spending a lot of time just doing, exchanging emails and writing and making charts and graphs and diagrams for the guests. So all that is eradicated with this technology. Plus, like I said, the scope of error is almost zero, and there's more clarity. There is more so the guest exactly knows what to expect, and if he gets exactly that when he steps into the doors of the meeting room, I think we've achieved a great lot. I mean, it's really a big achievement.
So how do you think digitalization can aid in achieving your sustainability goals?
Many other technological advancements have helped us in achieving this. For example, a keyless check-in, etc., mobile check-in and all that. But Spalba's program again is eradicating so many steps, so much of paperwork, so many things. I think it is a great step towards reduction of a non-sustainable material. And I think it is a big leap in achieving our sustainability goals.
In terms of sales conversion, how has it been beneficial for your hotel?
Really, our guests have received it so well, because what happens is that we are talking to international guests, we are talking to meeting planners outside the country. We do not get to meet them till the last day. So they just tell us, I want this, I want, there's a long conversation that they begin with, and then we say, hang on, I'm going to give you something and you'll be really delighted because oh my God, the virtual walkthroughs and all, they have been so delighted with that. And then of course, and also your program is so user friendly that it does not take us that long to tell them how to do this. Everything is, I think, user friendly. It's not difficult. It's easy to manipulate. So people just drag, pull, put the things together. We know exactly what he wants, to the T. So we know exactly how many round tables, which position, which layout, what size of the stage. So he's visualized something and we've visualized something. we are on the same page without using a page.
Would you be recommending Spalva to other hoteliers?
Never hesitate in doing that. It's not something that I want to keep it as a trade secret. We would really like to talk about it because I think at the end of the day, I think it benefits the industry as such. So I think, yes, of course, why not?